As we expected, we've seen record attendance. The NewFronts have been packed, long lines outside, vibrant inside, lots of great feedback from buyers and clients that have been in the rooms. Main takeaways, I think, is there's been a huge focus on OTT, mobile video, and brand safety. Trusted, safe content has really been a theme that we've seen throughout all the NewFronts. Lots of new exciting shows that have been announced, some that have been re-announced or are going to be continued. Big categories in the NewFronts like in previous years, but I think even bigger emphasis on live this year. Live news, live events, live sports, big focus on women. Health has been a theme that we've seen continued through the NewFronts, and then obviously, or a big thing has been Gen Z. In previous years in the NewFronts, the Millennials have been one of the kind of key demographics of focus, but this year it's really been a huge focus on Gen Z. I think another interesting thing that started last year, but that we've really seen big this year, is the talk around distribution. How is your content going to be distributed? How are you going to reach an audience? How do you make sure that your show will be an actual success? The presenters this year have been really good at promoting that message, and we've seen Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter being part of many of the presenters' presentations as, as a way to explain how they're going to reach an audience and how they're going to distribute their content in a way that will best reach the demographics that they're looking for.
Tell us about the mobile device and its impact on content creation and the industry.
Well, I think anyone who wants to promote and distribute media and reach an audience today has to be on mobile, and you have to think beyond mobile as a device for short form video, for just kind of snacking content. It's a long form video device. It's a device where you will consume live content, and it's also a device where you may not consume content in the same way as you do on any other screen. Maybe you need to think about vertical, maybe you need to think about sound off. There are plenty of different things that come into the mobile discussion, but it's been clear that it's a device of choice for the audience, and it's something that you really need to think about when you create content. In mobile, as well as in many other interactive platforms, you have the opportunity to have a continuous dialogue with the audience. Through Twitter, through different types of platforms, you can not just reach the audience, you can also have them talk back to you directly. And I think that that's a really important thing to keep in mind in mobile, especially when it comes to live content, which obviously is a huge thing in mobile. If you really want to consume content that's live, it doesn't matter where you are, you want to be able to do it wherever, whenever, and then the mobile device is really the device that you should use and think about. I think we saw already last year that lots of deals were being done, but the NewFronts are now firmly rooted in the upfront NewFront season. Deals are being done, brands are here to consume content, to evaluate it, to talk about it, and essentially in the end to buy it. And I think that we've also seen in the presentations this year that the presenters are geared up to really sell. It's not as much of a conference anymore. It is really, this is the content you can buy, this is how you buy it, this is how you reach the audience, this is how you measure your success, and this is how you can work with us to create true, impactful, branded content, so that brand can be more involved in the actual process of the content production. So the NewFronts is definitely a marketplace, and I think we've seen this week with, again, record attendance and very, very positive feedback from brands and clients that this is going to continue in the future as well.